Your speeches were very insightful. Lastly, I extend my gratitude to all the faculty members, researchers, students and participants who have been part of this workshop. Your enthusiasm and engagement have made this a meaningful experience for all of us. As we conclude ESM 2025, we look forward on carrying forward these discussions and collaborations at GCDI 25 as well. Once again, a warm welcome to everyone and thank you for being here. To start with, I
very busy and tight, but at the same time, we have gained a lot in this critical area. I think that will be quite useful in your future endeavors. Ultimately, our aim is to contribute to the society. I think that will happen if you build on that. And in my inaugural, in my address in the inauguration of this workshop, I mentioned that you have to build your academic contacts, and that way you have to grow. Now you have international connect, even of this renowned experts and all that. So you can build on that, and your capacity to manage energy